Yes.
Yeah. So in last class we discussed about the cell reference in detail, correct?
Yeah.
So if you want to work with the active cell, it doesn't mean on which cell you are. Wherever your active cell is there, and if you
Yeah.
want to pass some value, then we are going to use this line of code, correct? So active
Right.
cell dot value, whatever we want to pass, we can pass like this. And if that is not text, then we can pass without double quote. And
Mm-hmm.
this is the one way to work on the cell, one method. Okay, in square bracket we can pass the cell name, okay, and then dot value, and whatever value we are assigning is going to pass or is going to enter to that place, correct?
Mm-hmm.
For the number
Mm-hmm.
not required, so already we discussed. Hope so you did the practice and all for this. The
Yeah.
second way, the cells, and it's asking which row number and which column number. So second row, what is the second row? This is the one. And what is the column number? Fourth. So here is
Yeah.
going to pass the value. What value is going to pass? 500.
500.
So instead of that date, it will pass what? 500.
Mm-hmm.
Right? That
Yeah.
500 is because this is the format what? The date format. So that's the reason it's giving what? That value 500 is got converted into date one. So let
Right.
me make it something different one, which is the 5. Okay, now if I'm going to pass, so this then it's going to pass what? 500. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
okay. The second one is what? This is the which is widely used. Okay, widely used. So we should have excellent understanding about this. Correct or not?
Right.
Already
Right.
we discussed about it, and practically and theoretically also. So here
Mm-hmm.
is going to pass the value individually to cell A1. What
Yeah.
value? The first value here, A2 C2. Correct?
Yeah.
A2 to C2 only.
Teacher. Yeah.
So even B2 also it will be included in this.
Right.
Yeah, correct or not? Yes.
Yes.
So let me quickly finish it off. Whatever we did. Just see A2 C2 is pass or not? Yeah.
Yes.
Including B2 also is there. And can you let me know what is going to do here?
Here it's going to do it from
A3
to
to C3.
A3 to F3, the third
E3.
value.
Yeah. The second one is what? And can you let me know how many argument is going to accept that this method range? How many argument is going to ask?
Uh, so basically it's asking for two arguments, right?
Yes, exactly. Two argument. Now we are working for the first argument or second argument. This is the first argument or second argument?
The AC to C3 is the first one. This is the second one.
No. Okay. No, it's not A3. See, we are into the first argument, but we can define inside the first argument multiple range, multiple cell we can
Oh,
define.
okay,
Correct?
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. That's
So
okay.
when we are going out of double quote, outside double quote, and we are going to use the comma, then it's asking the second argument. Correct?
Right. Yeah.
Now we are in, into the first argument itself. If you are going to use the comma and then you are going to define something like a1, then it's going to talk about what? The
Mm,
second argument. Correct or not?
mm. Right,
But
right.
make sure that whenever you are going to use the second argument, so here this one should be the one cell value. It should not be the range. It should not be the range, or it should not be the multiple cells. Correct or not? Otherwise, it's going
Mm-hmm.
to throw an error. If it's a range, somehow it's manageable, but make sure that okay, we have to give only one cell here. So
Yeah.
from that cell point to this cell point,
Mm-hmm.
it's similar to this A2 to C2.
Mm-hmm.
Right? If you
Mm-hmm.
want to pass A2 to C2 here, so then what you are going to do? Like this. The meaning are same. Either you can write like this, A2 to C2, or you can like this with the help of the column. So meaning are same both. Either you can use like this way or you can use like this way. Correct? But we
Mm-hmm.
was
Mm-hmm.
in inside the first argument. Inside the first argument, we can define the multiple values, multiple range we can define. Okay, even individual cell also we can define individual cell, like let's say G10. So
Mm-hmm.
it's perfectly valid, not an issue. So inside the first argument we define one range, another range, individual cell we can define. So what value is going to pass everywhere? A3 to C3, So
Third
from
value.
here to here, including B3 also is going to pass, and from E3 to F3, and then H G10. Where is the G10? As of now, nothing is there. So it's
Yeah.
going to pass there. Just see E3 to C3, okay,
Yeah.
which B3 also is there, and E2 to EF, and individual cell also we have passed. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
which is the
Mm-hmm.
G10. So it's inserted the value there also. Is clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one about the cell. So hope so you did the practice for this all. Here how many argument we are using? Only first argument only we are working. But inside the first argument we define two
Right.
cells, okay, which is the A4 and C4. So A4 means what is going to pass the value to the A4, and now is not going to pass the value A4 to C4.
Yeah.
Correct? Is going to
Mm.
pass separately to A4 and C4. If you are going to use the comma, then it's going to talk about what A4 to C4. Correct?
Yeah.
A4 to C4 only is going to talk. But if you are giving the comma instead of like colon, then it's going to understand we are talking individual cell. Hope it's clear, right?
Yeah.
What value is going to pass there?
Fourth.
What what value is going to pass? To which
Fourth
cell is
value
going to pass? To which cell is going to pass?
from A4
Mm-hmm.
to C4 to value fourth value.
Including B4, right?
Yeah.
What I was telling you, Tarun, where you was, see, we use only comma. Comma means what? Individually we are going to talk. We are not
Right.
defining the range. Range means like this. A4 to C4. This is the one.
Yeah.
A4 to C4. If we are not going to use, so then A4 and C4. Getting what
Right.
is the difference between both?
Yeah,
Let's
because we not
colon.
define we are picking individual cells A4, C4.
Yeah,
That's good.
exactly. So where is going to pass? You said A4 to C4, but it's going to pass
No,
A4.
I said A4 to C4 mean I said A4 and C4.
Yeah, exactly. So I asked B4 also, so you said yes.
Oh,
B4.
oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, so Bhana, just correct it. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so you have to make sure that if it's colon, then it's going to talk about the range. If it's not colon, then it's going to talk about the separately. It's going to talk separately. Correct? So
Yeah.
now it's going to pass the value A4 and C4. Just see, where is the B4? It didn't pass to the B4. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one meaning. And here, so we are talking about the two argument. The first argument is what individual cell. The second argument is what another individual cell. So from A5 to C5, even if you are going to use the both argument, but both argument, then it's going to understand if from this point to this point doesn't mean what all cell are there between these two cells. I know from this point to this point, whatever cell are there is going to pass. Correct? So where is the C5? C5 to sorry A5 to C5. So it's
Yeah.
going to pass the value from here to here, including B5 also. What? Including B5 also, if you are going to use. Clear or not?
Yes.
Or is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, because I think we discussed that last time, right?
Yes,
Because
exactly. Already we discussed this. I'm doing the revision and all. The C, okay, is past the
yeah.
value. So you can use this all. And another most important offset, if you are going to work with respect to one particular cell, surround to that cell, then we are going to use what offset. Correct?
Yes.
Let's say our value is here. Okay, this
Mm-hmm.
is the one. With respect to this, with respect to this value, if you want to work surround, I don't know,
Mm-hmm.
but I know top three value, top third value, third cell. We want to pass the value. So we
Mm-hmm.
don't know what is the top third cell reference. Let's say you
Mm-hmm.
don't know. By name you identify third value is there. With respect to this, we want to pass the value to this cell, top third.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the offset with respect to this? So,
-3.
okay, So first you have to identify for the rows. So
Right.
minus 3, 1, 2, 3, because we are going top. So minus 3,
Yeah.
comma, 0. We are in the same column. We
Right.
are in the
Right.
same column, correct? So with
Yeah.
respect to this, if you want to work, so just see here, what is the cell for that? It's the G10, right?
Yeah.
So with respect to G10 cell, and we want to work top third value. So which
Yeah.
is the offset is what? Minus 3 and 0. What value we want to pass? Eighth value.
Third one. Yeah.
Yeah, eighth is the eighth only. Okay, so this value is available, some value is available there. This no value
No.
as of
Right.
now.
Right.
As soon we are going to click on it, so what is going to do is going to insert the value to that cell. Correct? The C
Yeah.
third position, right? So
Mm-hmm.
offset also is playing most important role if you are going to if you want to update or delete with respect to some record.
Yeah.
Correct? Let's
Yeah.
say already I demonstrate. Again, I am going to tell you. Let's say you have a name, email ID, mobile number, okay, their address. So you know what? Name, it can be anything. Okay?
Yeah.
Name can be same or not. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Can same. Okay, we can't say. But email ID can be same for the two different person.
No.
No. So what we are going to do with respect to this, we are going to search, okay, this mail ID. Let's say Tarun at the rate gmail.com. Here we have a Tarun. Already I demonstrated last time. Okay. Tarun at the rate gmail.com. Gmail.com. This is the one mail ID for you. And here I am going to type USA. And we have one more Tarun, Tarun T. Okay, that mail ID it will be not same, correct or not? Maybe
Right.
this Tarun have a 123 at gmail.com. What? At gmail.com. And
Right.
he is from India, correct? Like this.
Yeah.
So what we are going to do, if you are going to identify the Tarun, so chances is there to find these two,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Whatever like code we are going to define, maybe okay, we are going to define the code to identify Tarun only wherever Tarun
Mm-hmm.
is there. So it's going to find here and here, but
Yeah.
we want to update this second record, but it's going to update to the first record because it's going to find at the first location itself. At the first position it will be this one only, so it's going
Yeah.
to change the address like this. This is the
Yeah.
address. So what we have to do, first we have to identify that email ID.
Yeah.
With email ID we are going to search with respect to this cell, wherever you want wherever you want to make changes, so you can do. If you want to make
Yeah.
the change to the name, we can do. If you want to make change to email ID, the address, we can do. Correct?
Right.
And one more thing here, and with respect to this cell we can work for the others record also. We can work
Mm-hmm.
for this one, we can work for this one, we can work for this one cell also. Correct?
Right.
Yeah. Only we should aware about the offset. What is the offset for that?
Yeah.
Correct? Hope it's
Mm-hmm.
clear, right?
Yeah.
So this is the one. Okay. So offset also is playing most important role. So don't forget. Name range already I defined it. Okay, if you have defined name range and you want to pass the value to that name range, instead of like declaring that name range A1 to C2,
Yeah.
correct? A1 to
Yeah.
C2. So if you have given the some name, how to identify that name, how to create that name, that's very easy, correct? Let's say
Yeah.
here we have a like a, I'm going to define this range. So we have to select from L1 to L10.
Yeah.
This is the one. So we have to go to here, okay, to the what reference box. There we
Mm.
have to define nr. Why nr? You aware about it? We have
Yeah.
to suffix, okay, prefix with some identify, right? For the
Yeah.
identify purpose only, we are going to put what nr, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So we can easily understand. Oh, name range. This is the name range, correct?
Right.
What
Yeah.
name range? This is the, let's say, Tarun.
Yeah.
What Tarun है ना range or something, Tarun friends list, that all name we can give. So as of now, what
Mm.
name range we given? We given nr underscore Tarun. So now,
Right.
if you want to work, if you want to pass some value to this range, So we have a two way. Either we can define like this, what, L1, L1 comma L10, correct, and dot value.
Right. Right.
Dot value, what value I want to pass the, this is the one, Tarun. So as of now,
Yeah.
is there any value to this? No. Is there any value to this? No. Let me
No.
click outside so that you can identify. So L1 to L10 there is no value. So now as soon we are going to click on it, it's going to pass like this. So instead of like defining this range, if already you have created name range for that range, this
Right.
is NR Tarun. This is NR Tarun. Okay, what value you want to pass? I want to pass
Yeah.
at the same data itself. What rather itself. So now we have not defined the range here. We are
Yeah.
using the name range, whatever we have defined for that range. What
Right.
range we have defined for that? NR Tarun.
Tarun.
Yeah. So what he's going to do is going to pass the Radha. It's passed there, right?
Yeah.
As I placed that button. Okay. So this is the one related to name range, and this is some other things are there. Okay, which we can do with them with respect to range also, row
Yeah.
height. But we have some other property or other way to do the row height. So this is the related to the range only.
Yeah.
If you are going here, you see range, this many things are there to work on it. What all are
Yeah.
there? This many lists are there. Range dot cells, we can use the cells. Out of
Yeah.
this range, which cell you are talking. So first, with respect to this range, whatever cell it will be there, so it's going
Yeah.
to be correct or not. Let's say
Yeah.
0 0
Yeah.
0 0 you want to pass. So what you are going to pass the value? What value to, where is going to pass the value?
Same range.
Yeah, where is, no, what you are telling?
No, we have defined the range, right? Which is L1 to L10, right?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So out
And,
of this range, I am talking about this cell.
yeah.
Which cell? Out of this range, and which is like L1 to L10. So
Yeah.
out of this, I am talking about the 0 and 0 index cell. So
Right.
in this range, the 0 and 0 it will be become this one, L1.
Right.
Correct? So it's going to
Right.
pass
Because
the value.
that's the
Yeah,
first column, right? Yeah.
yeah, yes, exactly. The, it will become the first column for that. Already I clear about it, right? Just see what is this dot value. Mhm. Object defined error. So maybe let's see I1 comma I10 is going to understand this one or not. Okay, what happened? But cells is asking the row index. So row index it will be okay. I think 1 and 1 it will be. Let me pick. If you are going to do release first of all, yeah. Let's see. So one thing is there in this when we are talking about the range. Yes, exactly. It was not getting which cell we are talking, right? So one
Mm.
and one we have to define the first row and first column. What is the zero row and zero column in this
Right.
range?
Right.
What is the
Can you do it other way? Can you do a 1 and 0? Like because
one and
I think
zero?
I'm
No,
just trying to see if it doesn't
no,
do anything.
no. Yeah, exactly. It's not going to do anything because in this range, what is the first row? We can identify this is the first row. What
Yeah.
is the zero column? Can you tell? What is the zero column? We can't.
Yeah.
Can we do? We can't. Zero column. First column is there. First column is this. First row is this. So
Yeah.
first row, first column, it will be this. Correct?
Mm.
But
Mm.
if you are trying with the zero, then is going to throw an error. The like that whatever defined error is there, right?
Did it give, it didn't give you error, right?
Yeah, exactly. Let's see, it's to throw an error. Okay, 1 and 0. Okay, 1
Mhm.
and 0 is going to pick something this one with respect to this range.
Ah,
With respect to this range, okay, this is the one. With
mm.
respect to this, what is the 1 0 index? So one first row, it will be the same one only, and 0
Hmm.
means this is the one.
Right. But okay. So how did it? Because I thought when we go left, it's supposed to be decrease, right? So like
Yeah,
it should be
increase, sorry, decrease one only. So
yeah.
what is this position? First row, first column,
One. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
1
One
and
to
1.
zero.
Yeah, so 1 0 means this is the one.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 0 means this is the one. Okay, but if you are going for the 1 0 and minus 1, so there is no upside, there is any
Right.
record.
Right.
Minus column, no, there is no record.
Right.
So even we can't go for the one we can go, but
Yeah.
minus one we can't go because there is no
Mm.
reference.
Right.
Just see where is given. I'm sorry. Minus is this one 0 and minus column. Yeah, exactly. So we are passing for the column only, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. For the column we pass. Let me open it here. Yeah. So 0, 1 into the same row. This is the one index. And then if your minus 1 means column we are talking, so
Yeah.
column we are making change, not row we are making change, correct?
Right.
So
Right.
I was
Right.
trying to for the row only, minus
Yeah.
1 and then 1. So one first column it will be that one itself, but the
Right.
minus row, the top row, it will
Yeah.
be what?
This.
Minus 1. So we
Right.
was trying to this one, but we make the changes here itself. So it
Yeah.
should be here. So minus, is there any row? This upside to this, there is no row.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Let me see. It's going to throw an error. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the one. Okay. This we should aware about it. One and one. It will be the cell when we are going to define the range, and then we are going to use the cell methods or cell function. Then we have to make sure that it should be one and one. If you're
Right.
talking about that first cell value, then it
Right.
should be one and one. And with respect to this, we can work around. No problem.
Mm.
Then
Yeah.
but if you're not going to work like this, then it's going to talk about what? The first row and first column. The first
Right.
row is this and first column is this. So it's
Right.
going to pass the value to Tarun here.
Mm.
Instead of name, it will become what? Tarun.
Right.
Correct or not? Yes,
Right.
exactly. So this is the one. So hope you understood, right? So
Yeah.
with respect to range, we have many properties are there. Right? Range, if you will see here, E1 dot the C. What all are there? Even with this, we can do the row height also is there.
Yeah.
Okay, border is there, clear is there, many are there. Column is there, row is there. Okay, so let me pick row height. Is there or not? Yes, exactly. Row height is there. So with respect to A1, we can define the row height also. What row height we want to define? 20. So whatever is there A1, whatever row height is there, and if you
Yeah.
want to increase or decrease, so we can do like this with this
Mm.
property. Mhm. The row height plus 20. Okay, okay.
Do you happen to
Plus.
do you happen to have do you have to have a semicolon?
Mhm. No, no, no. Here is asking, so when we are going to define this one, row
Right.
height, so we are talking about only one cell, which is
No, no.
A.
I'm saying you have a semicolon right in 20.
Okay, no, not required. Let me. Okay, because in Java, actually, I'm taking the class for the Python and Java.
Right. Right. That's
Correct.
yeah. Like a different syntax. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So in Java, we have to put the semicolon.
Yeah.
So because of that, I got habituated with that. Okay.
Uh,
So that's the reason I'm passing. Let's pass it here. Let's see here. It's
yeah.
going to increase or not? Yes, exactly. It's going to increase. Let's say 30. So it's going to get an increase 30. Correct? So with respect to range, we can do many things. Even row height, we can clear the value. What all property are there? Slowly we are going to understand about this. Or if you want
Yeah.
to clear those value, you can clear. Okay. Or if you want to pass the value, you can pass. If you want to talk about the font related A1, the cell one A1, and if you
Yeah.
want to talk about the font related, we can talk. Okay? So many are
Yeah.
there, and which we can do with the different way also. Which we can do with the different way also. Let's say here, row height.
Yeah.
Row height is there. Yes, exactly, is there. So we can make it 11.
Yeah.
This is got increased. Something it should be 15.4 or 15.5. I think 15.6. Correct? This is the height,
Mm.
which is the actual height for the rows. But instead of doing like this way, we have some other way to do. What is the other way? Like this. So
Yeah.
rows, you can define what? Rows. Which row you are talking? So row
Right.
index is asking and column index.
Right.
First row, okay, what rows? So which row we are talking? We are talking the first row.
Right.
So how we can define the first row? To column 1.
Yeah.
So this is the way to define the first row. So
Yeah.
this is the one to one dot. Okay, it should be double quote. Okay, dot. The property is not coming. Okay, so hello.
Yes.
Yeah, that property is not coming, right? Row height.
Yeah.
So we are getting confusion whether it will work or not. It should work. Okay, what height we want to give? We want to give the 30. For what? This is the one for the first row.
Right.
Let's do it. Yeah, it's increased, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the another way to do. Either we can do via this way or
Yeah.
we have another way to do. So
Yeah.
later we are going to discuss about the others along with the range also. So
Right.
this is the topic related to the range. That's the reason I cover. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now we are going to move for the next one. Okay, our next topic is copy and paste. What? Copy
Mm-hmm.
and paste.
Yeah.
So, okay. Just a minute. I'm coming back. Okay.
Sure.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we are talking about the copy and paste. How we can do copy and paste. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
It's very easy. Okay. So I'm going to tell you how we are going to do the copy and paste. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the record which we want to copy. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Before that, before that, what we are going to do? Let's say I'm going to pass some value to the range. What? To the
Mm.
range A2. What value we are going to pass? A2.
Yeah.
So range A2 dot value. Correct or not? Can we
Yeah.
pass like this? What value we want to pass? Let's say I want to pass Tarun itself. This is the
Right.
text. That's the reason I'm passing it in double quote.
Yeah.
Correct or not? Yes. This
Yes.
is the way we can do. So it's pass the value there itself or not? Yes,
Yes.
it's pass the value. Let's say already if I have a Tarun somewhere else, okay, which is in D2, D3, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass A3, and what value I want to pass? This is the D3 value.
Right.
That's very easy. So already we have a value Tarun somewhere else in our Excel file.
Right.
Correct? Where is this value? Where is this value? It's in, instead of like a passing manually,
Right.
instead we are passing manually. If already have a value here somewhere in D3, so
Right.
can we use this reference or not?
Yes. We
So
can definitely
yes,
do that.
exactly. D3 dot value. Okay, dot value. What it means? So whatever value is there with this cell doesn't mean it's a date or it's a text or it's a number. So whatever
Yeah.
is there is going to assign the value to that cell. Where? To this cell.
Right.
Clear? So what
Yes.
value is there? Is there Tarun, and this Tarun we are going to assign this Tarun we are going to assign to what? To the
A3.
8, okay,
A2,
8,
sorry.
yeah, 8, 8, 3, okay, to 8, 3, and click on it. You see, it's going to assign or not? Yes,
Yeah.
it's going to, okay. So this is the way, like this is not like exactly copy and paste in Excel, but
Yeah.
yes, we can do. This is the another way to do.
Right.
So yeah, and sometimes you know what? How we are going to do? We copy this one, and we are going to paste it to A3 to 18.
Mm-hmm.
So here we can define A3 to 18. Let's see what going
Right.
to happen. Whether is
Yeah.
going to pass this value, whatever is there, is going to pass to this one or not, to this range.
Yes.
Right? Let's see what going to happen. So it's pass everywhere turn. Correct?
Yeah.
From this range. Because we pick individual one. Let's say if I'm going to pick here, Radhe is there, Radhe is here, and I'm going to copy the Radhe. So D3 to what it should be? D4, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So whatever value is there in D3 to D4, we are going to assign to this range. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Let's see what going to happen in that case. So here, when we are talking about the name range, make sure that okay. Earlier it was passing Tarun. But
Mm.
now if you are going to copy the two range here, like
Yeah.
the two cell value, and we are going to paste in different range,
Yeah.
then it's going to paste to that similar range, and then other range is going to skip it. Then it's saying
Mm.
what not available. Hope it's clear.
Yeah.
Yes. If you are going to pick individual cell which is D4, and now we are going to pass to the A3 to 18, is going to assign to this every records.
Yeah.
Correct? Yeah.
Mm.
But if you are going to pick something like this, D3 to D4, and we are going to assign this range value to this range value, no. Then similar range is going to pass the value, and apart from that, to the other cell is not going to pass any value. Correct?
Yeah.
The signal is passed Tarun and Radhe, others are not going to pass. Done?
Mm-hmm.
So you have a clear idea. So this is the one way to do. But the thing is, let's say for this I make it background color and for this bold, and this is the one I used underline and italic. So both are having a different format or not?
Yeah.
Yes, both are having a different format. Let's say if I'm going to copy this value and I'm going to paste to the A3. What? A3. So
Mm.
I'm going to pick D3 value, D3 range. What value is there in D3? Tarun. And what is
Yeah.
the format is there? Bold, and background is what? Hello. So
Right.
it's going to pick only the value. What? Only the value is
Yeah.
going to pick, and it's going to paste to the range what, A3 to 18. Correct?
Yeah.
Just see here.
Yeah.
This is the problem with the normal way. So this is the one way to do the copy and paste. But the
Right.
problem is going to pass the value only. It's not going to paste the format also.
Right.
Hope you understood, right? What it
Yeah.
mean of it. So this is not exactly copy and paste. Copy and paste means what? It should paste as it is, or it should give the options paste only value, paste only like what format, paste formula and
Yeah.
number format. This all should be there. But it's not
Yeah.
going to paste, it's going to paste only the value to define the range.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? So
Yeah.
in that case, what we can do, we have to copy. This is the method to do. So
Mm-hmm.
first we have to copy whatever
Yeah.
range, whatever cell are there, we have
Yeah.
to copy, and then one option is there, paste is special. There is no option for the paste. What? There is no option for the paste. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
So let me make it comment to this. Already I explain about it, right? For the range.
Mm-hmm.
So you can do with the simple way. But now I'm going to copy the thing is, okay, let me copy the first one itself, which is Taru. Okay, which value I'm going to copy? D3. What?
Yeah.
D3. I copied. Copied means entire things is going to copy.
Mm-hmm.
Format and that value and that number formatting, whatever things are there related to this cell is going to copy. Whatever
Right.
things are there related to this cell. And now how we can paste? So we have a paste special. We don't have the paste option. You
Yeah.
see here, paste. Is there any paste special paste option?
Yeah.
Is there any paste option in this?
Yeah. Special.
Paste
Paste
special
special.
option is there. There is no paste options. Only paste option is not there. Paste
Right. Right.
special is there. You know, when I was taking the class for the Excel, so here
Mm-hmm.
it's a default paste and here it's a paste special.
Right.
Right? We have to
Yeah.
click on it, then it will display the all the options.
Right.
So if you are not going, if you are not interested with the others options, whatever are there in this list,
Mm-hmm.
correct? If you are not
Yeah.
happy with that, then we can use directly paste special. And if you want to use any one of these, so these
Yeah.
options are displaying here. Okay? We will
Mm-hmm.
talk more
Yeah.
about it, but not as of now. So the default property is what? Paste all.
Yeah.
What? Paste all. So I'm not going to talk about it as of now. To copy and is going to paste to what? The D
Easy.
A3. A3. Correct or not? So this is the
Mm-hmm.
one which is very simple. And when we are going to use this command, copy command, so then one copy icon will be there. Then copy sign will be there. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to remove this one, so this is the one application.cut copy mode. We have to make it false. So let
Right.
me step into to this line of code. It's copied. What it means? This area got copied. Correct? This
Yeah.
is sign. This is the area which copied now. So now what we are going to do? We are going to paste to the A3. So whatever format is not going to paste only the value. It's going to paste what? Whatever things are there, like the formatting, background color and all, is going to paste each and everything to the A3. Let's see how it's going to do. Is pasted as it is or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the actual way to do the copy and paste from one cell
Yeah.
to different cell. Got it? This is the one.
Yeah.
Second thing, still that cut copy paste mode is there. Copy.
Yeah.
So we can paste somewhere else. If our work is done, then we have to remove this copy mode, right?
Right. Right.
So how we can do? So this is the code. We have to make it
Wow.
false. Cut copy mode. We have to make it false. Correct? This see. Now we can paste.
Yeah.
Hope is clear.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the one way to do. Second, let's say if you are going for the A1 to A10,
Yeah.
is going to pass the exactly whatever we have to the different range or not. We
Right.
copied one cell and we are going
Yeah.
to paste to the different range. What going
Yeah.
to happen? Just see here, copied and it's going to paste to everywhere.
Right.
So for that one also it was working or not? This is the way
Yeah.
it was working, correct? But when we was
Yeah.
going for the this one column, let's say Radhe also is there, so I'm going to pick the Radhe. Correct. D3 to D4 I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy and then I'm going to paste to what? A3 to A10. So how is going to paste? Whether is going to paste this one to
Yeah.
every to define range or not, or is going to give what? Not available.
So, and yeah,
Correct.
and A for the 4, 5,
Yes,
6,
yeah,
7, 8, 9,
yes,
10. Yeah.
exactly. So with this, whether is going to do the same way or something different way. So let me execute here. Is copied both range,
Yeah.
both cell, yes, exactly. And now it's going to paste it here. So in this way, it's not going to paste what? NA. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Because this is the actual way to do the copy and paste.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And if you want to make it that enable, disable, is copy, cut, copy, paste mode, then you can use this one. Okay? Hope is clear?
Yeah. I'm gonna call for 5 minute break.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Yeah.
Okay, so hope you understood, right? cut copy more,
Yeah.
cut and copy. Now, now that is the very easy. Now we are going with advanced in cut copy more. Special. So here this is the area, okay, which we are looking copy and we want to paste it to this one, okay.
Mhm.
So while pasting, so we have to pick the range while copy, which range we want to copy. So this is the range which we want to copy. This very easy. So let me make it comment here, okay. Okay, let me make it comment. This one already did it, and this one already did it. So let me remove. Yeah. So this is the one which is the C10, and where we have a value GH
Yeah.
H6 to Z12, correct? What we are going
Yes.
to do, H6 to Z12, Z12, correct? So we are going to copy
Mhm.
this area, we are going to copy, and where we are going to paste, let's say we are going to paste to the same range only, and it should be D6 to F12, F12. Same range we copied and we are going to paste within a same range, correct, within a same range, correct or not? Both
Yeah.
range are same.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, both range are same, correct. So we are
Yes.
going to
Yes.
copy this range area and then we are going to paste to this one. So this is the way
Yeah.
to paste, okay. And let me execute one by one. Okay, here we have, let me rearrange it. Here we can, I can place it here, debugger. Okay, now it's there on the screen, the debugger. How to drag, just drag and drop it wherever you want, correct. So I drop it here itself.
Yeah.
Now, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to execute this line of code. This area got copied or not? This is copied, and now we
Mhm.
are going to paste it off. The see got paste, correct, as it is.
Right.
And we want like cut copy mode. If you want, we can make it disable. Clear, right? So this is the way.
Mhm.
Let's say if you are going to paste to one cell, to one cell, this is the cell. What we're going to do, how we are going to do normally, we are copy like this and we are going to click to one cell
Yeah.
and we are going to use the paste spacer, correct or not? So we were
Right.
picking one
Right.
cell
Right.
and then we are going to paste it. So let's say how we are going to do in
Mhm.
VBA, okay. So again I'm going to step into, and I'm going to paste to this six only, what, to this six only, okay.
Mhm.
So copy, it's copied, yes, exactly, it's copied, and now it's going to paste to that area. So either you can pass
Mhm.
the same range or one cell you can define, no problem at all.
Mhm.
Hope it's clear.
Yes.
Yeah. And let's say if you are going to define something different range, like a true cell or like more than that, so what's going to happen, whether it's going to work or not. So that practice we are going to do. So like let's say D6 to D7, to cell we are going to pick and we are going to paste it here. So it should work or not?
Mhm. Mhm.
I think
Yeah.
it should work, right? So let me copy. It's
Mhm.
copied, and now we are going to paste. So it's going to paste to that one only, to that different. So hope
Mhm.
it's clear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, if you are going to paste, let's say I copied this one manually. First, you have to analyze about it, and then think what going to happen. Let's say I copied
Mhm.
this one, and I am going to paste it to this range. So what going to do? So it's going to paste to everywhere, or it's going to paste to that range, whatever range we have copied. What is going to do?
I think ideally it should be only wherever the reference data is. It should only go up to that level, right?
Yeah, but we copied here this range, in this range.
Yeah.
Hope you remember this range we copied, and
Yeah.
we was pasting to
Yeah.
different range. So it was pasting or not?
Right.
So it should
Yes.
paste whatever range we have within that range, and if you have selected something multiple one, so it should repeat, correct? So here we have a
Yeah,
like
I
bit
see.
more data, but here we was
Yeah,
having a less data. But it was working or not?
yeah,
It
yeah.
was pasting to everywhere to the selected
Right,
range or to
right.
defined range, correct or not? So now I am going
Yeah,
to define
yeah, yeah.
from D6 to something F20. What F20? I'm going to define D6 to F20. So what going to do? Correct? So we want to see the practically
Hmm.
how it's going to work. It should repeat.
Yeah,
It should repeat because earlier we did for these two cells and we pasted to the multiple cells. Correct? Many
right.
cells. So it was
Yeah.
like pasting and it was repeating the same things. So let's see here we whether it's going to do or not. We copied and now we are going to paste to different things. Okay. Here is not going to paste.
Mm.
Okay. But one thing is when we was doing for the others, the see, let's say if I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste to the different one, so it's going to paste. But here it's not going to paste. It's going to paste to the
Mm.
whatever range we have copied and it's going to paste to that one only. Correct? So we
Right.
have to be clear about it, right? Be careful about it when we are going to do. If you are thinking, okay, we are going to paste to the multiple one, it is not going to paste. Correct? But
Yeah.
let me pick
Mhm.
something what D3 to D4. D3 to D4. I copied and I am going to paste it what to the A3 to A3 to something A18. So it should behave like that or not. We copied this area, correct? We copied this area and now
Yeah.
we are going to paste something different, multiple one. So it should behave same whatever we earlier we copied this one. Hello, hello.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, we copied these rings and we were
Yes.
trying to
Yes.
paste to the multiple rings. This is the one. But now
Right.
what we are going to do, the same things we are going to do here. We copied this range and we are going to paste to the multiple one. Okay. So for this one is going
Mm.
to paste
Yeah.
everywhere, but for this one is not going to paste. What is the difference we are going to
Yeah.
identify? Okay. So let's see. We copied this one and we are going to paste. It's going to paste only what A6 to A10 is didn't
Yeah.
paste, correct? The see we define
Yeah.
A6 to A10, but it is paste to what? To only those area whatever we have copied, and apart from that is not going to paste
Right.
everywhere, correct?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the problem. But last time it was pasting or not? When we did last
Yes. It
time
was.
the same things, so it's pastes to
Yeah.
the entire range. Let's see what going to
Yeah.
happen. Why is doing like this? Let's see. A3 if you are going to pick from the A3 and then we are going to paste it once again. So how it's going to work? Copy and it's going to paste. You see? Now it's going to paste everywhere.
Mm.
Correct? You see? So sometimes it's
Yeah.
going to paste to everywhere and sometimes it's not going to paste everywhere. Correct? And
Hmm.
one more thing, let me
Yeah. Yeah.
let's analyze it. Okay, let's say A11. Okay, A11 we are going to paste and we have to make it merge here. Correct? And let's see whether it's going to paste to this one range or not. Copy and we paste it here. So what you identify? You identify something here. Why? Earlier it was pasting, but now it's not pasting. What is this?
Right.
So the thing is, if
I
you
think
have,
because the cell range, if you define by even number, I
yeah,
think that,
that one only I
right.
was trying to explain you. So we have to absorb whatever range we have. We have a range
Yeah.
like a like this range. If you are going to
Yeah.
define like a in two pair, so then it will
Yeah.
work. Here, if you are going
Right.
to pass like this range,
Yeah.
then it's going to paste. And if you are going
Right.
to pass like this, then it's not going to work. Means what?
Right.
For the like equal pair, then it's going to paste. If it's not
Exactly.
equal pair,
Exactly.
then it's going to is not going to paste everywhere. So let's
Right.
see
Right.
whether how it's going to work. For the like A3 to A6,
Yeah.
A3 to A6. So it should paste or not to everywhere. Yeah.
Yes,
What we
because we have
absorb.
even number.
Yes. So it's going to paste. Let's see. It's going to paste. Yeah, exactly. It's pasted there.
Yeah.
Okay. And
So
let me.
same thing with the other thing, right? Because
Yes, exactly.
before for the full range, we define like a odd number, right? So if it has
Yes.
to be even, then it will done that, right?
Yes, exactly. If it's even, then it's going to paste. Now we define something different one. Okay, which is not
Yeah.
with that range. So it's going to paste to one place only. Okay, not to everywhere. So let me do it here. So let me do it here once again. Let's see how it's going to do. So we copy. Yes, exactly. It's copied, and now we are going to paste. Now it's paste at one place only. Correct.
Yeah.
This is the one.
Yeah.
So we absorb how it's going to work. The copy and paste is present. Now we are
Right.
going to do for this one only. So what is this? 3 by what?
Yeah.
7. 3 by 7. Correct?
Yes.
So if you are going
Yes.
to pick 3 by 7, then it's going to pitch at one place. And if you are going to pick 3
Yeah.
by 8, then it's going to paste one place only. If it's the even 3 by what?
Yeah.
14, then it's going to paste twice.
Yeah.
Correct or not? So
Right.
we are going to do for
Yes.
this one S3 to J, say 12. Correct? This
Yes.
this 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 range we are going to copy, and we are going to paste to what? D6. Sorry, it will be S6. It should be S6, right? H6
Yeah.
to Z12. Correct or not? Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So from there, what we are going to do, we are going to D6 to D12. So by default,
Yeah.
within the same range, so no problem at all. Correct or not?
Yeah. It should
Within
be
the
F.
same,
It should be F12. Yeah.
yeah,
F12.
it
Yeah.
should be F12 only. Okay. Even we can pass one cell also, no problem at all. It's going to paste to the range. Correct? It's not going to create
Right.
any problem. But
Yeah.
while defining that paste range, so we have to we should aware about it. If you are going to paste, we are going to define like less range, then it's going
Mm.
to paste entire things, whatever range are there for the copied
Right.
area. Correct? But
Yeah.
if you are going to define more range, more cells
Yeah.
compared to the copied area,
Yeah.
then when it's going to repeat and when it's not going to repeat, you are aware about it. You got it, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
in this, where is going to paste? Whether it's going to paste the value or not.
Yeah. Yeah.
To
Now it's
D6.
going to paste everything, right?
To D6. So what is going to do? It's going to paste the value
Yes.
to D6 to what?
Or
Receive.
D6 to whatever the range is, right?
Yes,
So
exactly.
up to
Whatever
F12,
range.
right? F12.
Yeah, exactly. It's
F12.
going. Yes. So it's going to paste to the defined or copied range. Okay. If
Yeah.
we have
Yeah.
a less range we have, then it's going to paste to that
Yeah.
copied range. Whatever range we have copied with
Yeah.
respect to D6, automatically it will consider and it will paste there. Correct. So this is
Yeah.
the one. And you know what I am doing here? I'm going to use the fill options. Correct.
Yeah.
Fill down options. Control D. I'm using this one only. So you know you got it right. How we are going to use
Yeah.
the fill option. Right. So this is the one. And if you are going to define like this, F F what?
It should be
F12,
in 18.
F12, F12. Let's see. Okay, for the same equal one. So by
Yeah.
default is going to paste or not? Yes, exactly.
Yes.
But if you want to make it repeat, okay, it should repeat. So we have to define the one more. Okay, 6 row also we have to define. So it should be what 18.
Yeah.
Correct. It should be 18. So it's going to repeat or not? It should repeat.
No,
Correct.
it should be actually, it should be 19, right? F9, because we have a 7, right?
Okay. No, so we are going to count. Okay.
Right.
Here
So we
7
want to make
different.
it twice, right? Twice, right? We
Yes,
want to
yes,
repeat that. It should be
yes.
19.
It should be 19.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, I think so.
Oh,
It should be
with the
19.
header, right? Or no header?
No, with the header. We copied
Yeah.
that
So it
area,
should be
right?
19 then. Yeah. It
19.
should be
Yes, exact.
19.
Yeah, exact. Let's try. We copy and we paste
Yeah.
it here. Yes, exactly. It should be exactly 19. Correct? And
Yeah.
let's say if you're not giving like this, then it's not going to repeat. Okay? Just see here. We did like this
Yeah.
and now we are going to 18. What? We are going to define to the 18 one. Okay, and now I'm going to execute it. You see. So where is going to paste? It's going to paste. It's going to repeat or it's not going to repeat? It's not going to
No,
repeat.
it's only
Yeah.
one time.
Yes, exactly. It's going to one time only. Okay. So if you want to, yes,
Yeah,
it's so hope you absorb it carefully, like completely.
yeah,
Okay. So this is the one. And
yeah,
now if you want to make it repeat, so we have to give the equal ratio where it can come. Correct or not?
right,
Yeah.
right.
So we should not like what define the range something bit more rows or bit more column.
Yeah,
Otherwise, it's not going to repeat. Correct or not?
yeah.
So
So
let's say
if we were to give F20 range, it will still do it, but twice, but not the 3 times, right? So let's do F20.
F20. No, it is not going to do. But third time, because third time we have to define the equal
Right,
range,
right.
right?
It's not going to do third time, but it's going to do 2 times
Yeah.
for sure.
Yes, exactly. It's not going to do. You see, it's
Yeah,
we executed it, but it's not done it. So where it will do 19 and 7, then what it will come 26. If you are
yeah,
going to pass 26, then it's going to work. Price.
yeah,
Correct? Just see here.
yeah,
Price. Is it. Correct?
yeah,
We
yeah.
executed this line of code. So it's happened. So hope you understood how we are going to do it. Correct?
Yes, yes.
So this is the simple copy and paste. And you observe it when it's going to repeat and when it's not going to repeat. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Now we are going to talk about, let's say, you know about it, right? This is the one copy, we copy, and now we are going to paste it here, and we have a many options are there. Okay. So in last class, I think
Mm-hmm.
I covered right yesterday itself. So this many options are there, and if you want only the format, you don't want entire things, then what you are going to do? So you are going to identify where is the format, correct or not?
Yeah,
Yesterday only I finished this topic, right? In Excel.
yeah.
Yeah. So there is no format options. So what we have to do? We have to instead of this way, we can go to the paste special options, and then we have to go to the paste special somewhere formats only. What? The
Yeah.
formats only.
Mm-hmm.
It's not going to paste the values. It's going to paste what? Only the format, not value. And
Mm-hmm.
let me click on OK, and it's pasted here. Correct? Only the
Mm-hmm.
format. So this is the way we are doing in manually. How we are doing? We are doing like this, right? So how we can
Mm-hmm.
do with the help of VBA? How we can do with the help of VBA? That's very easy. What? That's very easy. What we are going to do? We are going to the paste special options. Correct? Hello, hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You were breaking up before.
Yes. So in paste special option, there are three argument or not. There are three area. One is what? Paste area.
Right.
Second one is what? Operation area.
Yeah.
The third one is what? The skip blank and transpose options. Correct? So there are four area, three area.
Right.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
to do the copy paste special. So when we are going to
Mm-hmm.
use the copy and paste through the VBA, so the same way here, we have a paste special option is there or not? Yes, is there. The see
Mm-hmm.
here. Okay, paste special option is there. Copy and paste. So
Yeah.
that paste special having a this is the one method. Okay, this is the one is
Mm-hmm.
asking three argument. The first argument is what? Paste as Excel paste type. So what type of paste operation you want to do? Hello, are you getting me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What type of paste you want to do? So here you are able to see the list of the paste
Mm.
options. Correct? So what all are
Yes.
there? You are able to see
Yes. Yes.
the paste format, paste only
Yeah. Yeah.
formulas, paste only comment, paste
Mm-hmm.
column bit. Okay. So yesterday I covered about it, right? Paste validation, paste
Right.
value only. If you want to paste only the value, how we can do? So this is the options is there or not? This is there.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to paste only the format, so can you let me know out of this which one we have to pick? Paste all we have to pick by default. What option is there? Paste all. This is the by default.
Right.
If we'll see the
Right.
property here, if we'll see the
Yeah.
property here, what is the property is there? This you are able to see.
Based off.
Paste all. The default
Yes.
property is what? Paste all. If you are not happy with the paste
Yeah.
all, many are there. Many are there. whatever you saw in
Mm-hmm.
Excel class when I was taking the class yesterday only, right? So this many
Yeah.
options was
Yeah.
there in Excel. Now in VBA, if you want to use the format only, so we can take this one.
Mm-hmm.
What is going to
Yeah.
do is going to paste is copy the entire area whatever are there, and it's going to paste
Yeah.
only the format, not something else. What only the format is going to paste.
Mm.
Clear?
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's demonstrate it with how it's going to work. Correct? So now we are going to copy this range, and I'm going to do it here itself. Correct? Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is the okay. I use. So just see here. I copied this area, whatever is there, and I'm
Yeah.
going to paste it to D6 to do F26. Now not F26, it should be 12. Correct? Because we
Yeah.
understood about this range. Correct or not? We
Right. Right.
understood about this range,
Right.
so not required to worry about it. Correct? So this is the one. And
Mm.
now what we want, only we want format. We are going to do the paste special, but not all. We want only the format options.
Mm.
What one? We want only the format. Let's see how it's going to work. Is copied? Yes, it's copied. Now we are going to paste only the format where to D6 to F12. Correct?
Yeah.
So, Tarun, you understood how we are going to do
Yes.
the same things whatever we did in Excel, same things how we are
Yeah.
going to do with the help of the VBA. Hope it's
Right.
clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So this is the one. So, so paste is special. Instead of this, if you want value only, so that's very simple. Control D here. Okay. The what is the way value only for the value? What we have to do? We have to define what Excel, and here we have a value somewhere. You are able to see the value. Paste value only.
Yeah.
Correct. So we are going to paste value only.
Yeah.
So what is going to do is going to copy this area, and then is going to paste. In paste special operation, what is going to do? What operation we want to do? So by
Right.
default it will be what? Paste value only. Paste
Yes.
all paste all. It will be there. But now we don't want all. We want what? Paste value only. Correct. So it's going to paste
Right.
what? Only the
Yeah.
value. The see here is
Yeah.
copied and it's pasted only the value. Is there any formatting and all? No.
Nope.
There is no formatting. So because we use what? Paste value only. Correct. So this is the one.
Right.
And one more things I want to ask you. Okay, now hope you understood completely. Correct? So this is
Mm-hmm.
the
Mm-hmm.
one. This is the range which I want to copy, and I want to paste along with the number formatting, value and number formatting. So I can do with this. You are going to do in VBA. So I'm going to identify value and number formatting. Number format. This is the options which is
Mm-hmm.
available. So what is going to do? So it's not going to paste entire one. It's going to paste value and number formatting. For number formatting, we did for this
Right.
one or
Right.
not? Yes, we did for this. So it's going to paste.
Yeah.
Where is
Yeah.
going to paste? It's going to paste there itself. The see here, it's paste and number formatting is there or not?
Yeah.
Yes, is there. So now, Tarun,
Yeah.
you are going to do with the help of the VBA. So how you are going to do? Just request for the control access and do it by yourself. Just request for the control access. Okay. Open the VBA here, and now just do some modification in this. The area is copied or not? Range is
Yeah.
copied.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not changing anything
Yes.
else.
Yeah. Only the paste is special. What you want? Okay. Yeah. Here. So what we want? We want the value and number format. Is there somewhere value and number format?
I'm looking right here. No.
This is the formula and number format. Okay. Yeah. Value and number formats. So whatever options are available there, each and every option is available here or not? Yes, it's available.
Yeah.
So just execute step by step. Execute it step by step. Yeah. So one more time. The cursor you are absorbing or not? Yes. Just click one more
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's copied. Now the C is copied or not? This is copied and it's
Yeah,
pasted.
yeah.
Just reset the program now. One more time execute, step into, just do step into, yeah, and reset the program now. Wait. Don't go next. Don't go next. Reset the program. Wait. How to
Reset the
reset?
program?
Yeah, here. This is the icon you are able to see. Wait, Tarun, just let
Yeah,
me explain
yeah.
one thing here. Now, we are in execution mode as of now. The program is getting executed now. Okay,
Right.
so we are in mid of the execution only.
Yeah.
So, if you want to execute
Hmm.
the entire things in one shot, not step into, then you can click on it. What? Continue. What it means is going to execute entire one in one shot, whatever line of code are there.
Yeah.
Clear? And if
Right.
you want to terminate
Yeah.
execution, the next one, so you can terminate from here. What? You can terminate. So because we don't
Right.
want to execute now,
Okay.
so what we want to only terminate. So we are not going to execute once again.
Right.
So what we have to do, we have to reset it. Hope is clear,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. And now, so what we want this one, it should be pasted to the sheet 4. What? It should be pasted to the sheet 4. That, that this is the
Hmm.
one. So what we want the value part, it should paste to this sheet. So we did, right? So
Okay.
in VBA, how we are
Yeah.
going to do? So that's very simple. What we have to do?
Yeah.
So first we have to copy or not?
Right. Right.
We have to copy, and after the
Then
copy,
we have to define a sheet, right?
yes, exactly. After that, what we are going to identify? We are going to identify the sheet in which sheet we want to work.
Yeah.
Correct? So we have to
Right.
define about the
Right.
sheet. So to define the sheet, we have a worksheet. Which
Yeah.
worksheet? We want the the name. What is the name of it? Sheets. Sheet 4.
Yeah. You're breaking off a lot for the last 8, 9 minutes.
Okay, is it? Because okay. Now I'm audible.
Yeah. Now it's good. Yeah.
Okay. What I'm telling you, so we have to, what we are going to do manually, we copy and then we are going to click on it.
Mm.
Clicking means we are going to make it active. What we are going to make it active? Sheet
Right.
4. So how to identify the sheet
Hmm.
4? So worksheet, and then we have to give the sheet name. Okay. And then what we have
Right.
to do? We have to activate it. What?
Select.
Activate. Activate. So this is the way
Yes.
to do.
Or can you do select? Can you do select too?
Select means what is going to do, so it's going to select along with this. So it's going to like this, it's going to
Okay.
work
Okay.
like this. Select, if you are going to do, so
Okay.
it will select like this. Okay, so with the help of the, like, it's going to select the multiple one. So better you have to active
Hmm.
first. Okay, don't use the select. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So now we are going to active this one only. We can use the both. I will tell you what is the difference between the selection and activation. Correct?
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh.
So this is the one we are going to do. Okay, activate, and then we are going to paste to this range. What paste? So paste and number format, and then we are going to remove the
Yeah.
cut copy mode. So let's do it once again. Correct? Is pasted to this sheet 4
Yeah.
or not? Yes, exactly. It's copied and it's pasted
Yeah.
to sheet
Yeah.
4, and then we are going to make it cut copy mode and a false, and then we are going to reset. So just see here, it's false one only, and it paste the value here itself. So what we can do, how we can come back to this sheet? The simple way. So what we can do, this is the one. After our work, after the work done, so what we have to do, we have
Hello.
to,
You were breaking off for the last minute and a half or so. But
hello, I'm audible. Sorry, sorry. Hello.
yeah. Yeah. Better now. Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's
Yes. It's better now.
okay. Okay. So what I'm telling you, let's say, so just absorb what this line of code is going to do. It's going to copy the this range whatever we have defined in this, and then it's going to make
Right.
activate to the sheet. because we want to paste to this seat.
Yeah.
So first we have to reach to that seat.
Yeah.
How to reach to that seat? This is the way
Right.
to reach to that seat. Okay, and then we are going to paste the value to that seat itself. Okay, so whatever
Mm-hmm.
seat will be there is going to pick paste to there itself, and then we want to come back to our active seat to where we was working. So what we are
Yeah.
going to do again, we are
Right.
going to active to our working seat where we are working. We are working
Right.
for the copy and paste. Okay, and then we are
Right.
going to do. Just see here, this
Yeah.
absorb is copied or not? Is copied.
Yeah. Yeah.
What
Yeah.
is the next line of code is going to do? The next line of code is going to
Paste
do what? Is going to active the seat 4. As of now, what is the active seat? Copy and paste.
4.
Copy and
Oh,
paste.
right now, yes. Right now, yes.
So when I'm going to execute the next line, this line, so then what is going to do is going to active this seat. The seat is active this seat or not? Yes, it's active.
Yeah.
As of now, seat 4 is active now. I didn't click manually. Okay, it's the
Yeah.
by default. Now, what is going to do? D4 to F12. D6 here from here to F12 is going to pass the value.
Right.
Correct? And what value?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever copied we copy, and
Yeah.
in that copied area we want value and number formatting. So value and
Right.
number formatting only is coming, right? It's not coming all
Mm-hmm.
together. It's not coming all together. Hope it's clear.
Yeah.
Correct? And the next one is what? And then we want to come back to the our working seat where we was working. Correct? So how we
Yeah.
can, and next time we are going to make it what? To active where we was
Yeah.
working. So now we can click on it. The see we came back to the our active seat, to our working seat where we was working, correct? And now
Yeah.
cut copy mode still is there or not? Yes, it's there.
Yeah.
And now we can make it disable. So it's not doing it. Okay, hope it's clear.
Mm. Yeah.
Done. So this is the way which we are going to do. Hope it's clear.
Yes. Yeah.
Now the thing is, let's say one more thing is pending now. If you want to copy and we want to paste it here, so what is going to do? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let's say what I want to do, I want to copy this one and I want to paste to this location.
Yeah.
Okay, so how can we do in VBA? Can you do it quickly for me to this one? Let me
Yeah.
remove this one. Just do it for me quickly. You have a remote access, right?
So we popping. We popping. Yeah.
Just,
I have.
just
Yeah.
just just a
So
second,
we
sir.
picking.
Sorry, just a second. Yeah, now just do it. So what range we are going to copy and where we are going to copy and paste. Yeah, let's see. At 6.
We picking
No, we
I1.
no,
I.
we want to pick the only mobile. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
I6 to what? Mhm. No, that bracket you remove the bracket. Parenthesis. I I6 to what? Range you have to define now. Which range you are going to pick? Yes, I6 to what? I I12.
You want? Oh, you want the both? Okay. You want the both?
Yes.
Okay.
No, 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 no.
Why is so slow on me? Why
Hello.
I type something, it doesn't show. Then
Okay.
so you want to pick I6 to
I12.
I10, I10,
I12.
I12.
I12. I12. And we want to paste to the salary part. So what is the salary range? It's J6 to what? J6 to
Well,
J12.
I just can do a J6 only, right? Able to do it
Yeah,
automatically.
exactly. It's able to do. No problem at all. Yes, exactly. And what operation you want to do? You want to paste
Uh,
only. Okay,
right now,
you
it's going to do number and formatting. I
no
mean,
no no.
number only.
Yeah. So what you have to do? What you have to do? Only paste all. What you have to do? Paste all.
Okay.
Just do the paste all.
Can you make it large this screen? I cannot
Wait,
see
wait,
the
wait,
whole
wait.
thing.
Yes, exactly. I can make it large. Is it visible now on the screen?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you have to remove, or we want to paste all. Okay,
Right.
just remove this
Just
one.
delete this.
Yes, just remove
Let's do
this.
X1.
Mhm. Just remove this one.
Did it? Did
Hello.
yes? Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah. Now just
I deleted it. Right?
yeah, you deleted it. Okay. Now you have to execute. So what is going to do is going to copy the five
Yeah,
like range I6 to I12, and then it's going to paste to the J6. J6 means what?
yeah.
It's going to paste whatever, because by default it's going to work what? It's going to work paste all. Correct or not? Because we have
Right,
not mentioned
right,
anything. So default
right.
operation it will be what? Paste all. So paste all
Yeah,
means what? Whatever format, whatever things are there, numbering
yeah,
format or general format is going to
yeah,
paste to this range. Correct or not?
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
exactly. It's going to paste. But let's execute it. Let's execute one by one, line by line. Execute line by line. Execute by yourself, line by line. Okay, and absorb it. Wait, I6. It should be I7. Okay, anyways, not an issue. Okay, so next paste is special. So it's going to make it mobile salary, salary to mobile. Correct or not? So whatever things was there, it's copied and it's going to paste to
Yeah,
that one only. Wait, reset the program.
yeah.
Reset the program. Just a second. Hello. Now it's better. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, I think so. Okay. So this is the one. Now we can't do the control Z also. That's it. We can't go back. Okay. Salary. And this salary, I'm making it what currency? It should be dollar. Correct. You see the
Mm,
currency. I'm making it dollar.
right.
So what we want to paste this value. While pasting whatever format are there, we want to
Yeah,
keep those format and we want to do the arithmetic operation. What we want to do the sum operation like this. Okay, it should do the addition operation while pasting. So yesterday only
yeah,
I clear it, I explain, right? So if you want to
right.
copy and you want to paste it here, no problem at all. But old
Yeah,
record whatever are there, it will overwrite on that. Correct or not? Just say like this.
right.
But we don't want to overwrite. We want to some operation. What operation we want? We want
Addition.
addition. So
Yeah,
this is the one we want addition operation while pasting. So it's
right,
going to paste all. All means what? Whatever formatting are there is going to paste all to this one only, and along with that is going to do the operation. So that
right.
number format it will get changed because
Yeah,
we are going to paste all. Correct?
right.
So number
Yeah,
format and what all things are there is going to paste it here. While
yeah,
pasting is going to do the operation. Just see
yeah,
here is did it. So, but
yeah.
we don't want like this. What we want while pasting, it should paste only the value, and while pasting, it should do what? Addition operation. So it's going to paste only the value, and while pasting, is
Hmm.
going to do what operation? Addition operation.
Add.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Just see here, got added or not? Yes, got added.
Yeah.
Correct? Yes. So how we can
Hmm.
do in with the help of the VBA? Just I think you are in that position to do. You are in that position to do. So just
Yeah,
absorb this all the things. How you are going to do
yeah,
with the help of the VBA. So you copy that area or not? So it should be J6,
yeah,
I7. It should be I7
yeah,
and it should be
yeah.
J7. Okay. Now you are going to paste those values, and while
Yeah.
pasting you want to do the addition operation, and along with that it should be not paste all, it should be paste
Right.
value.
Right. So we
Just
gotta,
go next.
yeah, we gotta change that. Yeah.
Yeah,
It
go
shouldn't
ahead,
be pasted. Go ahead.
go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, you have a control access, right? Copy, copy. Why you are going to do
Oh, sorry, sorry.
control and space bar, not dot, not dot, space, space. So no space when you start working on the space. Yes, exactly. Now these all options are coming. So why you are not going for the paste all? Why you are not going for the paste all?
Because we don't want to keep the just the
Yes,
number, right? We want
formatting.
to keep
Yes,
the
we want
currency
to
and
keep the numbers
formatting.
only, right? Otherwise, it's going
Yeah,
to test the number and all, everything formatting and all is going to test. So we don't want
yeah,
formatting, we want only the value. So from where you are going to pick?
right.
So here you have on bottom. So it's going to paste only the value, but while pasting the next
Yeah,
argument you are able to see
yeah,
the next argument. So when you are going to put the comma, then it's going to give the next
yeah,
argument options. Add operation is there, yes, exactly. And what you can do, you can now code is done. Code is done and
yeah.
execute line by line. Execute line by line and absorb it. Don't do very quickly, okay? One by one, okay? This next line, click once again. Yeah, exactly. So click once again. Is going to copy that area or not? Yes, it's going to copy that area. Just click on it. Click one more time. Yes, exactly. It's copied. Yeah, it's copied now. So what you are going to do? You are going to paste, but while pasting, you want paste to value only, and what operation you want to do while pasting? You want to do the arithmetic operation,
See,
addition operation, right?
right.
Just execute one more
Yeah,
time and observe their result. Result got changed or not? And still
yes,
format is there, whatever old format was there, same format is there, and it's
right.
did the operation, what operation, addition operation it did. Okay, and one more step you have to go, one more step you have to go. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so that cut copy mode got disable and reset this program. Hope it's clear.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good.
Okay, fine. Now my
So
requirement is,
it's 7 o'clock.
yeah, just
I
give
have
me one
here.
second. Hello.
Yes, yes. Go ahead, please. Yeah,
Yeah, just give me one second. And one more is there, like a copy and transpose option is there.
yeah,
So otherwise, it will get finished now. So here we have a transpose options. We have to go. The you should aware about it. We
yeah.
want paste all, okay, and in transpose form. So the see here is doing like this. Can you do
Yeah.
it quickly for me? This is the one with the VBA.
Yes,
Yeah, do it. So you have to remove this all the things, correct or not?
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Just remove because we want all together. Just remove this all. Yeah, let me remove on behalf of you. Okay, so just see here, Taru. So
Yeah,
here we can paste all options by default is there. Either
yeah,
we can use the paste all like this, or
yeah,
we can skip also. It's
yeah,
optional. We can skip by pressing comma. We are not passing that argument, and here also we are not going to pass any argument. And
yeah.
here is asking what? The third argument. What is
Yes.
the third argument? I'm
Uh,
sorry.
transpose.
Wait. Okay, this is the one, and now we are going for the third argument. Third argument, again I am going to use, this is the one, skip blank. You want to
Yeah,
keep make it true or false, so we don't want
yeah,
the transpose. We have to press one more time. So here
yeah.
transpose. So transpose have
Mm,
two options, either enable or disable, correct? So what input
mm.
we have to give the for transpose? We have to write transpose, or what we have to do? What we have
Yes,
to
we
do?
have to put
There
transpose
is
in the
no,
bracket, right?
yeah, there is no
In the
list.
bracket,
There is no list to select. There is no list to select.
right?
So what we have to do? We have to write the transpose, or what we have to do?
I think we have to write transpose, right? Then.
No. Okay. When you have only one options, either check or true or false. So on behalf of this,
Mm-hmm.
we can write true or false. That's it. True means is checked. False means not checked. That's it.
Okay.
Clear? So it's going to do what?
Yeah. Okay.
Transpose options. Okay. You don't have the time. That's the reason I'm not going to, Where is going to do? J7. Where is the J7? There itself is there. Okay, we can't do now.
Yes.
So I did
Yes.
one small mistake here.
Yeah. So we
Okay.
have to change that to
Yeah,
something
J7, just see
different.
here. It's pasted it here only. Okay, so we have to change somewhere. It's copied this range only, correct or not? And it's pasted here itself in transpose options. Correct? Hello? Taru?
Yeah.
So what you have to do, so you understood about the copy and paste things. So what you have to do, you have to
Yes.
do the practice for this. Okay, don't forget to do the practice for this. Done, right?
Uh,
Hello?
couldn't hear you any. I mean, I couldn't hear you what you said for the last
What I am
30,
telling
40
you,
seconds.
what I am telling you, So we have finished the copy and paste with the complete scenario, what all
Yeah.
scenario was there. So what you have to do, you
Yeah.
have to create a data like this data, okay, and you
Yeah.
have to use all the options, paste all, paste only value, paste value and number format, paste value and format only, correct? So this
Sure.
all the
Sure.
things
Sure.
you have to use. So you can consider as assignment,
Yeah.
okay? Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the task, okay, for the next class. So before this one only, before checking, then only we'll go for the task. Okay, first I will check your
Okay.
assignment and then we'll go for the task. If you have a time, if
All
you
right.
want to do bit early, then you can do, and you can share the screen. Then,
Yes.
so can we
Yeah.
stop the
Yeah.
session now? So, hello.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so, okay, bye, sir. Good night.
Yes. Thank you. Good night.
Bye, bye.
Good night.